Hey, what's going on? Zero Day Jay here. Hope all is well. It's Monday, August 5th. The market closed 40 minutes ago. I just finished streaming like a half hour ago. If you were there, thanks for hanging out. I had a great time. If you weren't there, you missed out. There were over 200 people on the stream, 202 to be exact. And I stream every day. If you can make it, I stream every day during New York. I hop on between 2 and 3 p.m. Eastern, and I stream to and through close. Most of the time, I get on around 2:30. But sometimes people don't get notifications. So if you're one of those who don't get the notifications from YouTube, just look for me at Power Hour. I will be on for sure. I also stream during the overnight, anytime between 2:30 a.m. and 4 a.m. Eastern time. And when I'm streaming, no matter which time I'm on, not only do you get to watch me trade like a degenerate, but you get to hang out with awesome people. There's always amazing people chilling in the chat. It's like a cool place for degenerate prop firm traders to hang out. And even just futures traders in general. We have some people who trade with live accounts that come and hang out too. It's just good vibes. So if you could get there, get there. If you could hang out, come hang out. We'd love to have you. Anyway, with that said, I'm in my myfundedfutures account. Let me show you how I did today. Unfortunately, TradeOvate updated, but I will show you through the performance data. So here's my report. I didn't trade it all today, right? I traded during the overnight last night. I did all of my damage in all of my accounts, my Apex, my myfundedfutures, and my Take Profit Trader, all of it during the overnight. So this one was the first account I traded. I traded this one. I mean, the market literally, there's a dog under here. I didn't even realize that. The market literally dumped over 1,000 points, like the NQs specifically. Like, look at this. This is the hourly chart. Look at this dump. It went from 18,398, 18,400, let's say, to 17,350. Literally all night. Look at these candles. Look at this one candle. This is an hourly candle. 17,916. A 600-point candle in 1 hour. It's just, look at these. It's just nuts. Anyway, crazy times right now. Just be careful when you're trading. Just super volatile. It's great, but at the same time, it could be super dangerous for you. So keep that in mind. Let me show you how I did. So yesterday, which was, Sunday going into Monday, this is what I did. I took 3 trades. I lost my first trade. I did finish the day at 325. So, the account's at 49,342 because on day two of having this fund, this is a funded account, right? On day 2 of having it, I hit the daily loss limit. And then I spent the next 6 or 7 days or whatever it was, pushing it back over, clawing my way back to break even. I pushed it over, and then I hit the daily loss limit again, the day that I pushed it over officially. Instead of just stopping for the day at plus 125, I decided to keep trying to push it, and it cost me. So that was on Thursday, and then Friday I was green, and then yesterday I was green, or today I was green. So I'm working my way back up. I did it once, I could do it again, and I'll get myself a payout. I have more than made myself eligible in terms of they require you to have with the starter accounts, especially the 50K starter accounts, you have to have 5 days of $100 or more in profit before you can request a withdrawal. Well, you have to be, I think the minimum you have to be up is $250 overall. I don't know. It's got to be somewhere over the buffer. I'm looking to grow it to like at least 1,000 in profit, and then I'll request my payout. But I was there, and then I fucked it up. But anyway, I'll get it back. I already got like 600 of it back since I hit the daily loss limit again. So this is how I did. I took 3 trades. The first trade I lost $200. The second trade I got 365, and then the third trade and my final trade I hit 175 for a gain, and then I was done after that. I called it a day. I moved on to the other accounts I have with Apex and Take Profit Trader, and I'm perfectly fine with that because I don't want to hit the daily loss. Not the daily loss limit. I don't want to violate. They have a 40% consistency rule, which I was well within. But like, if I'm trying to get to $1,000 in profit, right? 325 divided by 0.4. No, well, 1,000 divided by 0.4. What is it? No, it's the other way around. 0.4 times 1,000. If I want to get to 1,000 in profit, I don't want to go over more than $400 in a day. So that's how I do the math, basically. I don't think I had any day over 400 anyways, any of the profitable days. So that's my approach with myfundedfutures. And I'm just going to keep pushing it, keep growing it by a couple $100 a day, $200-300 a day, even 150. If I get to 150, you know what? I'm just going to call it a day. I'm not trying to do anything crazy with these accounts anymore. I just want to get to payouts. That's the name of the game. All that matters is getting paid. All that matters is getting funded accounts and getting paid. Everything else is whatever. It's just noise. So that's something. I mean, I knew this from day one, but like I've spent I've been on my prop firm journey since. So what am I up to? Like month 9, mid-October I started in 2023, and I've only gotten 2 payouts, and both of them happen to be from Apex, which is cool. I'm cool with that. But I want to get more. My goal is to be a habitual payout receiver, getting enough payouts from I don't care where it comes from, but getting enough payouts to the point, regular payouts, to the point where it covers my monthly expenses. So that's the goal. With that said, if you want to check out My Funded Futures, you can get an account for as little as $80. But if you use coupon code ZERODAYJAY, you can save an extra 5%. So you could get this. This is a 50K starter account. The activation fee, the funded activation fee is baked into the price. You could base, and this would have happened to me. I went 1 for 1. I got this 50K starter account for $76 using a coupon code to save 5%. I couldn't use my own, unfortunately, but you could use mine if you want to support the channel. It's ZERODAYJAY. My link is in the description below to get more information about all the different account sizes and all that stuff. And if you want to support the channel, that'd be great. If not, no big deal. The fact that you're watching this video is supporting enough. But what I did was I paid $76 for a 50K starter account. I passed it. I passed the first account I got. So for $80, I had a funded account. For $80, I had a funded My Funded Futures. No, $76. Sorry, $76. I had a My Funded Futures funded account, and now I'm working into my first payout. So let's say I get this thing to a payout, and I withdraw like $1,000. My first payout, I get like $1,000. I think the max you could get on a 50K starter was $1,200. It cost me $76. Pretty brain dead. No brainer as far as I'm concerned. So with that said, I got to run. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any updates or any of my streams. And smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. If you want to check out My Funded Futures, once again, click the link in the description below. And if you want to lock in the best deal available, which right now is only 5%, I'm sorry, that's all they're offering because their pricing is pretty good to begin with. Use coupon code ZERODAYJ. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks for watching.